Past tense one, past simple 2, past continuous 3, past perfect 4, past perfect continuous, past simple. Structure: subject plus past form of verb. He walked. They watched. Usage: completed actions in the past. I met him yesterday. Specific past times. She graduated in 2009. Past continuous. Structure: subject plus was slash were plus verb, ing. I was writing. They were eating. Usage: ongoing action in the past. He was reading at 9 p.m. Interrupted action: she was cooking when the phone rang. Past perfect. Structure: subject plus had plus past participle. She had left. We had eaten. Usage: action completed before another past action. He had finished dinner before they arrived. Past perfect continuous. Structure: subject plus had been plus verb, ing. They had been working. Usage: duration before a past moment. I had been studying for hours before the exam started.